Welcome to another episode and video on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux. Last time I ended with the conclusion that the sensors weren't reading very well, not in the sequence that I had hoped, and as you can see I hooked it up to the oscilloscope for 3 sensors only this time. And they are reading well, but this is only the outside. And as you can see as well, the display is gray. And that is a problem. I can log in. At least I should be able to log in. However, with this gray screen, I can't acknowledge anything. I can't acknowledge the SSH connection. So I have to power it up. And hopefully next time is good enough. So I can also set date and time, because since recently I have to do that. So let's wait and see how this ends up. And this is unfortunately taking time for the experiments I want to do with the floor test and some coding. So now I need to go to this side and then date, which is here, and we're living almost the end of the month. So now the date is set and the time it's slightly past 9. So now everything has been set. Now I can also leave it here, because in is that correct? Not quite sure though. I have to be in this interface, not in the community interface, otherwise it doesn't do anything. So let me now check if I can actually do something. So I need to change the email address a bit. Now I can confirm. And that's it. So I can't see anything now, unfortunately. But I am in. That also means that now I should be able to check things with ROBOPro. And also with text. Why the screen is like this, I have no idea. There's not really anything I can touch without knowing what it's going to do. So in that respect, it's not very nice, but I'll have to deal with it. So let's do some tests. Right. So with this unfortunate blue screen, which doesn't tell me a thing, and these signals, which are 210 or 31321, whichever, I am going to test first on ROBOPro. So change this one. Okay, so first the right hand side is 3. Then left hand side front sensor is 2. And then the other touch sensor is 1. Alright. This is a critical conclusion. From right to left to behind is 3 to 1. Now, I see I have to log in. And now the question is, of course, when I look here, last time I found that I had to do 0, 1, 2. And then again 2 didn't respond to anything. So now, well, I call it font 0, but it is not 0. Or is it? Which is which? Because with the writing robot, with the TXT controller, 1 and 2 are really 1 and 2. So why is this different, if it is different? I also had to add this. So, running the risk that things are going bad with the walking of the robot, with the adjustment to the tripod. Let's see whatever happens. And I'm not paying attention to any images being copied, although they will be copied. So let's do it like this. And then I do hope that I get a nice response. Alright. So what is this? It goes power off. This is not good. And by okay, this is something I had not expected at all, because it's on the power adapter. It's not even on battery. So how does it go power off? Okay, nasty surprise. Very irritating. How to solve this one? Well, only thing I can do is power it up again. There we go. This is no good sign. At all. Now I have here signal again, but that's normal I suppose. Alright, everything over again, and hope without power off. I am back. To my surprise, after powering up the controller again, it had retained all date and time settings. However, you see now in 2 windows 2 tabs, and that means that when I press enter, I don't get the prompt of a computer back. So I had to open a new terminal, and there you go. I will remove all these images. From last time, and I need present day images. Right. Okay. Yes, remove them. Also, gray images, all of them away. What do I have left? A gray image. Okay, remove. Now I have a thing. Oh, this is probably from, yeah, I can't determine because this is the default date. So these go as well. Now I'm clean. Apart from this one, but okay, let be. That is for one thing. Now I really want, well, this is the code, of course, once again. I want to go back to the testing where I was stuck and where it went wrong last time. So let's hope that it doesn't go the same way this time, because I really do still want to use the floor tool test, and that I can't do on the net adapter. So let's go. See whatever happens. Okay. It says no font sensor. I'm touching font sensor 2, and it still says no font sensor. While on the oscilloscope you clearly see the font sensor. It still says no font sensor 2, while I am touching it. Okay, so now font sensor 1. What does it do? Now it says font sensor 2. Okay. I am touching font sensor 2. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. I'm touching 2 and it does nothing, and I touch font sensor 1 and it says font sensor 2. What is happening? How is it happening? This is the same thing that happened last time. It is really time to do some finding out, and I doubt it is debugging. This is a matter of which is which. And if you look here at the contacts, then you can clearly see that the various sensor inputs are not touching each other. And now they show no sign at all even. Right, well, this one has gone loose, okay, so be it. But the other ones don't show anything either. So that is something I do not like. What's happening? Something very, very weird going on. This is something that I don't like at all. I need more testing. One sensor input that is not responding. And one thing is certain, that this is only measuring with the probes on the outside, not on the inside. And yet, on ROBOPro, let's go back there for a moment. Two, 1, and 0. They work, no doubt. So if ROBOPro shows correctly, then what's going wrong with fighting? Alright, so actually Python and ROBOPro are contradicting each other. ROBOPro says they all work, 1, 2, 3 work. So far Python says 2 doesn't work and 1 is 2, which makes no sense. What I want to try now first is sensor 0, which is right here, or should be right here. If this really acts as 0, instead of 1, because it's right here, then I really need to think. Another thing is that you notice that signals here were completely gone, and after checking again with ROBOPro, they are back. So how that is possible, I don't know either. Anyway, let's check for this sensor right here, which is actually the same kind of switch being on the front, at the front, whatever. These switches are exactly the same kind of wiring. So let's see if that works out. So let's go. Now I have to lift it again. Right, press this sensor. What does it say? Front sensor 1. It says front sensor 1 then. Okay, another one. Grabbing here in front and grabbing here again. No, that's not good. Okay, pressing. It says front sensor 1. So this isn't 0, this is 1. Then this makes 2. Which one is this then? Let's check that out. This wire, which is this wire, goes to 2. But this is 1 and this is 2. So then this is 3. Okay, let's change something. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's check that. And then this is not front sensor 0, this is just sensor 0. Alright, fine. Then final round for this one. Lifting it up and what is that? Sensor front 0 not defined. Oh, right. Okay, let's bring it back for now. No. All wrong. No. End of line. And this is that. Alright. Hit it. And please do. Abort it. I do not like that. And the signal is gone. This connector is gone. Now it's dead. So let's go. Hopefully. Finally, front sensor tool is there. Okay, text input 3. Nice. Thank you. Time for the floor test. Finally. Alright, time for a floor test. So, now all sensors are being detected. Let's see how this works out. And of course on battery power now, no longer AC adapter. And what does Python do? Abort the connection. Restart. And there we go. Or should, actually. It doesn't do a thing right now. Absolutely nothing. So that's not a good start. It shows everything, but there is okay, let's take ROBOPro for a moment. What does ROBOPro say? All functions normal. Okay, let's roll motor 1 from ROBOPro. I hear a response. Yep. Now it does something. Motor 2. Yeah. Alright. So it does function. Now back to the program. And go. If it likes to do something at all. Connected. Network error. Again. Camera connected. Yep. It works. Okay, let me make sure that I have a freshly powered battery. Will that help? Let's try. Okay, new battery. Well, new, freshly charged actually. but you'll get that. Try again. Network error probably first. Yep. New attempt. Camera connected. There we go. And then I would like this sensor to act up. To act, actually. Okay. A little corrective action. Oh, that's funny. Now it wants to go right through. And there goes one foot. Alright, there's one then. Okay. Now it says front sensor 1, which is actually correct because it's this one that touched that object. So that is correct. But there is a problem in timing. Which is that the impact on the sensor is too short to actually being detected, I think. Although it did now touch sensor 1, which is, as I said, that one. So how can I do that? How can I make a difference? Another thing is that it turns out that, at least for this robot, this object is actually a little bit too low. So I should have to make 2 more of these to make an impression on the robot, that is. And one foot gave away, but that's not a problem. I guess it will walk anyway. But yeah, that's I'll have to think about those things. Let's continue with that one with that object. That is too low. How can we do that? Just like this. Hopefully it makes an impact. For sensor 1 again. Well, it doesn't do a thing, of course, now. So let's make it there. Nope. Nope. No impact at all. Oops. Let's make it there then. A little bit of cheating. Okay, this way it doesn't do a thing because of the lack of weight. It just pushes it away. It doesn't make an impression at all. Okay. So what to do? Good question. Last part of this episode. what happened? Well, I had to renumber the sensors. Some mysterious power off, mysterious detection, and finally a floor test that shows that the objects may be too light and too low. So where to go from here? Changing the objects. So this one goes here, and then bigger objects, or heavier anyway. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you can also follow me on Twitter. If so, retweet and like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram, like and leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website or with my video, depending on the pledge you make. And this is going to be continued. So, once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.